Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I've got another really fast recipe for a beautiful holiday bread. That's actually more a cake. Once again, my pumpkin cake recipe is getting a makeover with white chocolate chips and cranberries added to the batter. Sugared cranberries to top this off with some rosemary too. This cake, bread, takes about an hour from start to finish, and it's gone even faster, so I will recommend that you make 2 loaves. It is an easy 1-bowl mix for the pumpkin cake batter, and then just throw in some cranberries and a couple of handfuls of white chocolate chips. And you see that my cranberries were frozen, so they've thawed slightly, which I do prefer for adding to the batter. They already start to break down once you've frozen them, so in my opinion, it's just nicer inside of a bread. Bake the batter into a loaf pan for almost an hour, and once it's cooled, you can slather it up with my newest recipe for no shortening buttercream icing with a secret ingredient that turns it instantly into cream cheese icing, but with no cream cheese. Wait until you try this one. Super moist pumpkin loaf and so pretty for the holidays. What a great gift idea too. So I hope you will head over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab the printable recipe. But before you go, be sure to subscribe here to my channel for more of the greatest vegan bakes coming at you straight out of Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.